Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. If a number x is 14% less than another number y and also y is 11% more than 136, then x is equal to what? And we have to answer till 2 decimal places. So we can write according to question that this number x is 14% less than another number y. So 14% less than y. So from here, if we simplify this, we will get the relation of x and y as x is equal to 86y by 100. Let this be first equation. And also it is given that another number y is 11% more than 136. So 11% more than 136, it is equal to 11% multiplied by 136. So y, if we solve this, is equal to 150.96. Let this be second equation. But here we have to find x. So we can find x as 86 by 100 multiplied by y, and y we have calculated 150.96. This we have written from equation 1 and 2. By using equation 1 and 2 we can write this. Hence if we simplify this, x will be equal to 129.82. Hence this is what we had to find out. So we can say that our answer is 129.82.